from down the shed. So I've made the TV in the background stop buzzing, and this time we'll try and record the video without it being so annoying. As soon as I started playing it back, I was like, no, delete, start again. So we're going to wire up a basic LED circuit here, and then we're going to mess around a little bit, changing some wiring and seeing what happens. So we'll start with 44 to 3, which is the 10k resistor, to the positive of the LED. So that's the circuit coming into the LED. We're going to connect that to the switch. So again, so it's 45 to 55. So again, this will just be a positive circuit travelling from the battery, which will be 27 to 56. So we now have the power from the battery. It's flowing from the battery to the switch, or from the water pump to the valve. That will go into the resistor, which is like rocks within the pipe to slow down the flow of the water. That then goes up to the LED, which is like the water meter. It's showing how much of the water flow is getting through, where it's a little, so the light will be dim, or whether it's bright, so the light will be dim where the water's getting through slowly, or if it's flooding through, it will be bright. And then the LED minus will come back to the battery terminal over here. So that's number 4 to number 26. So now if we open the valve or press the switch, we get a dimmish light. I'll zoom in on that a bit. There we go. So, you know, it's a fair brightness. But if we change that from 10k 44 and 45 to 100k 51 and 52, it's even dimmer. So we put more resistance into the pipe, so we decrease the amount of water or current getting through. So if we go from the 100k to the 1k, so that's 41 from 52 and 51 to 40. We put only a small amount of resistance into the pipe, so we allow more current through more quickly, and we get a much brighter LED. And why not? We know it's 100 ohm, protecting it from direct battery contact anyway. So let's go for the 470 ohm, and we're mega bright. So that's the simple circuit number 1. So basically the LED is converting electrical energy into light. We're just varying how much of the energy gets through to it, to which value resistor we use. So we can just swap that over quickly to the actually what we can do is put these in series. We'll put the LEDs into series as well, just for fun. So just lift the spring back, pop in the wire, and here we go. There we go. So thanks for watching the channel. That's project number 1 of the Elenco 50-in-1 playground. I don't know if I might do number 2 straight away, I might not. But yeah, we've got plenty more of these little projects to come. Project number 4 comes with 2 experiments. Project number 4, we check resistors in parallel and in series. So that's something to look forward to. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see. I think there's at least 52 projects in total, minimum, in this kit, because there's kind of 1 or 2 of them have sub projects, like number 4 and 4B. So keep watching, and I will be endeavouring to get the original Tandy ones I had when I was a kid, because they'll be so much fun. So I don't think it's worth bunging this onto one of these. we could just dig out a resistor like here. You can just pick them up. I'll check what that is in a minute. I might do a video putting this circuit onto a PCB and make another video following it, so we'll see. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like to the channel, and or like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.